How to replace the battery. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and speaker assembly. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal. Remove the 4 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the battery on the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 4 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the top cover.